We're gonna try.
We're going to
We're doing a cabin crawl on Symphony of the Seas. We're gonna see 8 different cabins, and right now we're gonna fit maximum 10. We're gonna do it. We got a lot of people in here. Everyone squeeze in.
10309.
10309. We'll wait at the elevators.
Yeah.
10309. All right. So Symphony of the Seas. We're doing a cabin crawl. We're gonna do 7 different categories. So let's go. This is 10309.
Wait, she might be in the bathroom.
We're doing a cabin crawl. This is a boardwalk view balcony. We're gonna go right to the balcony and look at the view. Here is your view from your boardwalk balcony. And you see, you look right across at your neighbors, but you know, you can kind of see the show from here. You can people watch here. It's not a bad room. You can just people watch. You know, you don't have a lot of privacy. But it is your boardwalk view balcony. Standard balcony size. Whoops. Here's our group. We're doing a cabin crawl. And you have your couch here in the middle and 2 closets on each side. It's your standard size balcony room. Got your little TV here. Got your dresser. Your closets. Drawers, your safe. Standard bathroom. Standard bathroom. Like everyone on the ship. Here's your hanging space. And that is your boardwalk view balcony. Hey, I got one of those too from the casino. Prosecco, yeah, that's a good one. So, all right, so there's your boardwalk view balcony.
It was just over the 12.
All right, the next one is 10286.
It's an oceanfront balcony.
Ocean view
And
balcony.
we are living in this one. So
Pretty much the
this
same-
one's a little lived-in.
Same exact room
It's a lived-in.
as the boardwalk view balcony.
Flower in the bed.
Same exact room as the boardwalk view balcony
Cool air fills
with just an ocean view.
Yes, it does.
So that is your ocean view balcony, standard balcony. And there's our people from our cabin crawl. Everyone's coming in to see. Same room as before, just a different balcony view. Same stuff. All right, there's the ocean view. On to the next one. All right, the next one on our cabin crawl. We're going right for the star class. 9334, 2-bedroom Aqua Theater Suite. And as you walk in, you curve around a little bit. And it's a 2-bedroom Aqua Theater Suite. So here's 1 bedroom. We can turn the light on? There's the light. Okay. There's 1 bedroom. Look at this, 1 bedroom. It actually sleeps, there's a bunk bed, so it sleeps 4 people in here. You can put 4 people.
Look at that.
Look at that. It has 4 people in here you can sleep. That's 1 bedroom.
Awesome.
There's the towel animals.
Always wanted to. I love that.
Here is the 2nd bedroom, right? This is the master suite.
This is master.
It has its own balcony.
Nice.
It has a small bathroom. Nothing special.
Tiny bathroom.
Well, because it's just, there's other bathrooms. There's your closet space. But it's got its own private balcony entrance. But the balcony wraps around. So you have an entrance that wraps all the way around. So this is bedroom number 2.
It's great for 4 people.
The other room sleeps 4 people, so you could actually have 6 people in here.
I would travel.
This is the other bathroom. Bathroom number 2. Yeah, plenty of towels.
I love that.
What is this? Look at that. There's a curtain, so you can get a view of the theater from there. Here's the living room area.
I'm not used to living like this. I'm
That's awesome.
Grand suite, as big as that view.
And they stock your mini fridge with whatever you want. It's a genie.
This is
Look
living.
at that. Yeah,
Wow.
this is awesome.
Okay, so what room is this? I'll come down and.
2-bedroom Aqua Theater.
Yeah.
Suite.
9334.
Which is your star
Here's the
class.
living room.
I have yet to get
And
star class.
this is part of the balcony. Look at they put a
Every time you
tablecloth
have a grand suite or junior suite, I try to.
on your table. More closet stuff, storage. The balcony continues around. It wraps around. And here you wrap around. And you have another big table out here. And here you just the
You've
view.
been for one of those for one of the other.
Yeah. And look at that. It wraps all the way around and you have a table with stools. And you can get your drinks. You can watch the whole show right from here. That's cool. Spectacular 2-bedroom Aqua Theater suite. Incredible. We gotta take a photo of this here. Look at that. You could literally have a party in here easily. The genie brings you anything you want. What's in here? Closets, hanging space. The drapes all open up. You can have this entire space, window, entire space all the way around. And it comes with anything you want.
Like a whole what? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my.
The genie will give you whatever you want. Beer, anything. Anything. Includes drink package, includes unlimited dining package. It's big.
So like,
In the room. Dining, but we don't get the drink package.
So that is your 2-bedroom Aqua Theater
and
suite.
sometimes like some of the
Star
restaurants are like
class.
super full, or like my son like we'll eat at weird
That's the
times
way
where
to
they're
live.
full at 5.
All right, time for a grand suite. 7250. 7250.
I really love it.
I love it.
Grand
I
suite.
love it. It's. I have a doorbell.
Grand suite.
You know what we like? We like the
Yeah, I
rooms.
love
We like the grand suites with the divider.
Yeah, I love the divider.
They don't have
Yes,
the divider
I
on all.
love it.
Turn on the lights.
This is nice. The balcony's large.
This
The grand suite.
No, this is a grand
It's a grand suite.
Some of them have the divider, some of them it's.
This has the divider.
The divider is nice because you have like your.
You have your bureau, your bed. You have a balcony entrance here. Oh, just a window. The balcony entrance is over here. The main balcony entrance.
This is the.
But it's a nice balcony. We'll show you.
This is the here. But the bathroom is big. Yeah. I
There's
love
the balcony.
Love
It's a nice size balcony.
Anybody need a peppermint? So go right ahead.
This is your little living room area.
I put little flashing lights. I was hoping.
You have a TV on both sides.
Now I do like this. I love the vanity in here. The vanity is amazing.
You want to see a junior suite?
So this has no door though.
Yeah.
This has no door.
I know. Yeah.
It doesn't.
Okay, it doesn't.
It's just on
Okay.
the other side.
Yep.
Look how I can do this. I want to see this.
Back there.
So that is your junior suite. Let's show the bathroom real quick. It's a nice bathroom. We've got a million people in here. We'll see the bathroom in a second. All right, here is your bathroom.
I'm a bigger guy, so I like
Has double sinks,
you know what I mean? So
landing area, no bidet, but a toilet, and your tub and your shower.
Yes, it'd be nice, but sometimes those jeans are fast too. So it's a 2 dozen.
That is your grand suite, 7250, Symphony of the Seas. All right, we have junior suite, 7644. And this is the only one with a walk-in closet. That is the feature the walk-in closet. That's nice. It's a nice sized room. It has a nice balcony. The bathroom has to be like we're doing our cabin crawl. Yeah, look at that. Yep. It's the only one with a walk-in closet.
It's literally like the revamped Freedom. It's a walk-in closet.
And the bathroom. Here we go. There's the bathroom.
Oh yeah. I did that.
And it's like, there's just so much.
That is your junior suite on the cabin tour. Has the Lavazza coffee maker. It has walk-in closet plus extra stuff. Really nice storage.
The shelves there.
It's very nice. There's your junior suite. Symphony of the Seas. All right, it's time for owner's suite. 11644. Symphony of the Seas.
Oh, yeah.
It is the great room concept. It is a one big room.
Yeah, this is really nice.
One big room.
Now, is this all the closets in the front? Yeah.
No divider, but it's got like the separate bedroom over
That's the
there.
back, but they have the bidet in their back.
So how do you use it? Because
Closets.
Oh, but you have a separate shower.
Yeah.
This is all the closets they want.
Separate shower.
The full length.
I'm just
We'll get to the bathroom in a minute. This is our cabin crawl.
This is nice.
Huge balcony. Here's the bedroom. It separates. This is Sky Class.
It's only the owner 2-bedroom.
I have no clue. I just know it's got.
So your balcony is
That's what I
huge.
That's what I said.
Look at this balcony. Whoa. It's huge. It's like you could have a dance out here.
Oh my God!
And it's hot.
Yeah. Oh.
We're gonna check out the bathroom. But yeah, you could have a party in here.
We had some friends when we were
Close.
on this ship 2 years ago. This was their cabin. And they invited us.
So this is kind of like the grand suite that has a separate divider, but this part is much bigger. Very, very spread out. And have a nice little table here. You can order in room service. You can order off the main dining room.
Yeah.
So next is the bathroom. Look at this. This is the room with the bidet. Don't know how to use it. It looks like it points down. I don't know. It should point up. But you know what I use for my bidet? Is that. You just put it under your legs and clean yourself up. There is your separate shower and tub. Double sinks. And you could have a nice party in here. Owner's suite. 11644 Symphony of the Seas. Alright, we're going to do Crown Loft Suite 1720, and this one has a secret entrance. You have to tap your card. And then you can open the door, make a left. We're doing our cabin crawl. Make a left.
My husband's in the bedroom,
So you have that same kind of service.
I'll stay.
Yep, I'm going to leave this door open like that.
I will say,
Alright, make a
the
left.
star badges and the bracelets.
This is a very quiet area here.
It's crazy different. It's like, it's crazy.
Alright, so I did a separate room tour of my room, but part of the cabin crawl is showing you there's closets downstairs.
For like the little ones, because you don't want kids
There's
finding
the downstairs area, there's a
ones
bathroom
that they might get
downstairs.
built on or something. So I'm like, I'll put them somewhere.
There's a desk here that it can open it.
Yeah.
You can close it to make more room.
You say,
You can get to those drawers. Yep.
That's why we
So
stopped
that
at
this
the
thing
9,000
rolls back.
to
You
get
can use that for dining. And then it's 20-foot ceilings, which I just love. Unparalleled. Unparalleled. The balcony, you have a huge wide open view. You have your mini fridge, your Lavazza, your stairs,
We figured out that the little
the
metal
loft.
piece around
The number on the elevator? Or on the, yeah.
The TV comes down from the ceiling. You can watch it in bed. It's like a whole separate cabin up here. You could literally have 2 parties stay in this room. So the view from your bed, there's the TV. It comes down from the ceiling. You can put it up with the remote. But look at the view. And here you have your separate bureau area. Another full bath. More closet. More closet. More drawers. This cabin, in my opinion, is the best cabin you can get. It's just incredible. So that is your cabin tour of 1720 and your cabin crawl on Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. And check out all my individual cabin tours on this ship and other ships on Royal Caribbean. Peace out.